Hey man, you ever kiss your lady and she left a little access all over your lip? That's what I'm going through right now. But on the real side, you are tuned in to episode 1 of the Adventures of Alex's Living Room. I am the quite stately, handsome husband of hers slash boyfriend. We are at Joann's, and once again, this is episode 1 because I'm making her commit to recording stuff. Okay, so she said that she wants to do this fall. Guys, you know what that means when you say it's about a, it's a whole lot going on. So you see all this flowery stuff behind me, and the thing is that, man, whenever your lady gets the, hey, I want to go to Joann and go to Dollar Tree, use it as an opportunity to gain love and credibility points, okay? Because you're gonna want something, okay? And you don't want her to say, you should have came with me, and you're gonna be like, oh. Yeah, so ladies, fellas, boys and girls, you're going to come along with us on this shop along. We're gonna wave to her because she has the HD camera. Wave, baby. Ow, ow, ow. Anywho, unfortunately, Joann does not have a men's sitting section, so I'm going to just ride around and get it. They did not have the foresight to give us a section to kick it in, but that's fine. So I'm going to go ahead and turn over to my gorgeous wife of mine. I hope this is going to be a great YouTube video. I hope that you guys feel inspired and you guys feel empowered and everything else that comes along with it.
So the color palette that I want is like a deep dark purple, a gray with pops of forest green and pops of like velvety blue color, because we have a velvet blue couch at home, but
What is that, velvet?
yes, it's velvet. No, it's what is it? Yeah, it is velvet. But they don't really have much. I'm not saying it. I feel like I saw it when I came in here before, like a week or two ago, but now it's, so I'm gonna look around, see what I can see. Hopefully I don't have to spray paint everything or make everything myself, because I didn't want to do that. But okay, so in natural guy behavior, Sam has gone to an electronics store while I find other things that I am looking for. I think this is super cute. I like this. It's not really my color, but I love the texture. Oh, they have one in gray. Okay, we might be getting somewhere. I love the gray. And oh, this is nice. It's weighted. It's heavy. Okay, let's see what else I can see. I think I'm starting to see the ones that I came here for originally. I like this, but it's definitely more flat. Maybe I was at Michael's when I saw it. I don't know. But this is pretty anyway, though. Like, this is your colors. Oh, and it's 60% off. About that life. About the discount life. I'm looking real crazy right now, but we're just gonna roll with it. All right. This is cute. It's like a pumpkin garland. I love it. Love, love, love. I definitely need to find like a table runner, maybe. I had this idea to take sparkly leaves that I got from the Dollar Tree. Well, they're not sparkly. I'm gonna have to put some glitter on it. But take the leaves and make them all like a runner, like put them together to make it like a sparkly runner. I think that's gonna be pretty cool. I'm not trying to get too crazy with the pumpkins. Like, I like fall, but like in a real grown-up way. Like, this is dope. But for once, I'm not going with a gold color scheme, so I'm not gonna get that, even though I'm very tempted. I'm gonna keep walking around, seeing what I can see. Hopefully, I see some things that are more my style. Oh, like this is pretty dope. I wish it was a different color. Let me show you guys. I can even have some smaller ones here. That's pretty cool. But I don't want. I got more like a cool gray color going on. Oh, I don't know what this is. What are these? Candles? Oh, some mint pumpkins. This is cool. It's pretty textured. Pull it in place. Okay, so we're on the way to Homegoods and then Michael's. We finally left Joann's. We're looking blacker than black.
We got arts and craft stuff.
Oh, okay.
Put your stuff in the air if you got arts and craft stuff.
We're doing that. All right.
Arts and craft stuff.
Can I get in the car?
Absolutely.
Okay. It's kind of close. All right. I will see you in Homegoods. Hopefully by then I've been fixed by lipstick and my hair. Okay, we are at Homegoods. Where you know no good. Let's see what we can find.
Where dreams come to die. No,
Lies. Where they come to live. Okay, so I really came in here for pillowcases and a throw. Let's see if that's all I walk out with, because, you know, it's Homegoods, so you never know.
Look at today.
Okay, and Sam is off. Ooh. He's gonna look at the snacks because he's a foodie. And he's gonna have a food channel since he's pushing me to do my decor channel. I'll push him right back. Ooh, pretty. See, this is what I'm talking about. It's really pretty, but it's all orange. And ain't nothing orange in my house. So it don't work for me. Ooh, blue. This is pretty. Not what I came in for, but it is cute.
I should ride my hoverboard board to school.
Look at that. Loving it. It's $20. So not bad. Already getting off track. I want to have like a pumpkin, like something like this. It's pumpkin, but it's not orange. And I want it to be purple. This is pretty, but it's not exactly what I'm looking for. So maybe there's hope. I don't know. I have to make it like still a pumpkin type of design from a pillowcase. It's like buy it, cut it out, and then put it on my own pillow. But that's a lot of energy, you know? I just want to be purple. Or even take green. Isn't green a harvest color? Why is it so hard? I'm giving up over the side of this church. Okay, good people. We are on the way home. Unfortunately, my phone cut out and I couldn't record anymore. And Michael's, I didn't record at all. And cut out on Joann. Alright, well, this was an experience.
And now the work begins. 3 stores. 1 living room.